Hey guys, and welcome at this series about Sitecore Basics. In this video we're going to look at how you can use a profile. So in the last videos we have set up a basic profile and now we're ready to use it. I'm going back to the Launchpad and then open the content editor, and I'm going to my home page, or let's take a new one. In the previous videos you have seen how you can assign a profile card. It's possible by clicking on this icon, which is located on this right top section on every page, and here you have the card type. You can choose edit, choose an environmental profile card, which is the only one I have right now. Hit OK, and then save the page. And now you can publish this page, but before you do, you need to be aware of the fact that your profile card needs to be published as well. So I can do that in the content editor because I have all admin rights. So on the system I have the marketing control panel, and here I have my profiles as well. So by clicking on the card type and then going to the review tab, you can see that it needs to be deployed because it's a marketing definition, as it is called in Sitecore, and there are certain specific processes needed here. So I can click deploy, and then I can fill in a comment if I need want to, but that's not necessary, so just click OK, and now my new profile is getting deployed to the other marketing definition. So it is used in the front where the profiling and pattern matching based on visitor behavior is taking place. So with this set up and my page that is profiled, I can publish it and it's just ready to get used. There are also a couple of other things you can do. So by clicking on this icon, which is my profile card, you can also choose to customize. So basically the profile cards are pre-configured, predefined setups of a content profiling, but you can override it. So for this specific page I have the option to change it a little bit. So you don't need profile cards per se. You can also create one generic and then use this option, but it's probably taking you a little bit too much time to do this for all kinds of pages. So the pre-configured profile cards are just to get you up to speed. But this is another way of profiling your pages. So I save it, and again, when I publish this configuration, it's accessible in the front end for your visitors.